A crowd of more than 100 poured into the Church of the Incarnation in Wethersfield to honor volunteer firefighter Robert Sharkevich Sr., who died in the line of duty a year ago. The large turnout, though, wasn't a surprise to his family, just another sign of all the lives he's touched.
He hasn't been here for some things that, he should have been, but just seeing the way he's been memorialized has also helped a great deal.
On October 22nd, 2024, Robert Sharkevich Sr. died on the second day of battling the Hawthorne fire on Lamentation Mountain in Berlin. The fire would spread to 127 acres to become the largest wildfire the state has seen in 40 years. The UTV Sharkevich was driving flipped over, and he died at 66 years old.
Just a dedicated individual who would help anybody at any given time. All you had to do was call Rob and ask him for help, and he was there. Always had a smile on his face.
Known as Sharky, he worked as a firefighter, first with Hartford and then with Wethersfield as a volunteer for 47 years. 1 year after his death, his sister Karen Letizio has one plea to the public: do a random act of kindness. It's what Rob would have done.
Because of the kind person that he was, always doing something for someone, not expecting any kind of nothing in return, I just think this world would be a better place.
Sharkevich's family has deep ties to the fire service, with his brother and son working alongside him at the Wethersfield Volunteer Fire Department. Now, his youngest son, Caden, is joining the Sharkevich legacy.
It's great to continue his legacy and see what he did pretty much every day of his life.
So many fathers are heroes, and Caden has gotten to see how his dad is in more ways than one.
He didn't expect anything in return. He just dedicated his life for other people, and it's great that you need people like that in your community to keep the community going.
And with such a strong turnout, Sharkevich's family tells me they hope there will be another memorial of some kind next year. In Wethersfield, Tim Lateau, Fox 61.